I have come in order that you may have life and have it to the full. John chapter 10, verse 10. Townsville Catholic Education is committed to the Melbourne Declaration on Educational Goals for Young Australians, which says, 1. Australian schooling promotes equity and excellence. 2. All young Australians become successful learners, confident and creative individuals, active and informed citizens. At the heart of teaching and learning in Catholic schools is the recognition of the uniqueness and value of each student. This is centred on the beliefs and traditions of the Catholic faith in the context of a contemporary world. Our teaching and learning framework is a commitment to collaborative decision-making within the school community, the roles of school, parish and family in nurturing each student, and to the positive well-being of our Catholic education community and the wider community. How do we live this? Our framework for learning is driven by the concept of a Christ vision of life. This means that our curriculum focus is to empower learners to enrich the quality of life in their community and world by living out the gospel of Jesus Christ. Why are Catholic schools different? Catholic schools are places where students learn to live their lives, develop cultural growth, receive vocational training, and engage in the pursuit of the common good. It is more than the curriculum. It is about promoting thinking and extending learners in the context of the Christ vision. Catholic schools are educational communities where learning thrives on the integration of research, thinking, and life experience. This means that Catholic schools help students to understand the present and to imagine the future of society and mankind. Promoting learning through the Christ vision is based on our Christian spiritual heritage. This underpins, drives and inspires conversation, discussion and dialogue about our cultural heritage and the conquests of science. What are the hallmarks of a Catholic school? Catholic schools respect individual dignity and uniqueness. Catholic schools provide opportunities for the holistic development of the student. Catholic schools have a balanced focus on cognitive, affective, social, professional, ethical and spiritual aspects of learning. Catholic schools encourage every student to develop their talents in a climate of cooperation and solidarity. They promote research as a rigorous commitment towards truth with an openness of mind and heart. Catholic schools show a respect for ideas, an openness to dialogue, and the ability to interact and work together in a spirit of freedom and care. Why do we do this? Because we believe in recognising the uniqueness of every student. We support flexibility to accommodate individual learning needs. Because we believe that learners are at the centre of the curriculum, we support learning activities that engage and motivate students. Because we believe in developing the potential of every student, we seek ways to extend learning opportunities beyond existing boundaries. Because we believe in equity, we accommodate diversity so that cultural and individual differences do not compromise learning opportunities. Because we believe in Jesus as the way, the truth and the light. We proclaim that Jesus gives meaning to life and learning. Because we believe that people are our most valuable learning resource, we support learning environments that sustain positive relationships, particularly between teachers and students. To put you in the picture, our learning framework is Christ-centred, transformational, communal, serving. It involves a commitment by the school, the parish and the family. Our commitment. Townsville Catholic Education will ensure each school can develop and deliver curriculum to enable each student to become an effective learner. Identify curriculum directions set by national and state authorities and develop diocesan curriculum plans to assist schools to incorporate these directions. Support principals and teachers in accommodating change and in using the professional standards in teaching. Develop resources to promote the implementation of these foundational principles of teaching and learning. Promote successful practices to schools and facilitate sharing of expertise across schools. Enable schools to be visionary and creative in responding to the role of the Catholic school in the contemporary world. Principals will identify school needs and develop ways of meeting these needs. Flexibility, responsiveness and capacity building are key elements. Be the curriculum leader in their school through effective induction, professional development, ongoing support in meeting compliance regulations, staff supervision and setting high standards for student achievement. Ensure their school is adequately resourced to support curriculum which is current, responsive, comprehensive and reflects community expectations. Monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of curriculum in their school. Encourage best practice and innovation in school curriculum initiatives. Support teachers in accommodating change. Teachers will incorporate the principles of curriculum in Catholic schools in their planning. Develop skills and knowledge to support effective pedagogy. Assist in the development of the school as a supportive learning community. Develop, with parents, a shared understanding of the needs and abilities of students. Accommodate change and adopt professional standards in teaching. Extend their own professional knowledge and skills. And we ask that parents and families will accept the role of primary educator and provide opportunity for their child's educational development. Encourage and support their child in pursuit of educational goals. Support the school in the educational and pastoral care of their child. Assist in the development of the school as a supportive learning community. Develop, with teachers, a shared understanding of the needs and abilities of their child.